Hey, Lucas here with FastCap, and I know these days utility knives are kind of a dime a dozen, but this guy is the best damn utility knife you will ever own. We call it the mag knife. Why? Well, because it's got a built-in magnet. So that means any machine, any place where you need a knife readily available, this guy will just stick right there, be ready for you. No putting little hangers, pegboards, gluing magnets to the rack, anything like that. This guy's got it built in. Other thing about this knife, it's a safety retract blade. So I know a lot of companies require safety retract blades. This guy fits the bill, but on top of being a safety retract blade, it's got a second slide, so it can be used as a regular utility knife. Slide the blade all the way out, do your regular utility knife work, pull it back in, use your safety retract. Now if you only do the safety retract and you dull out this top portion here, other thing you can do is give it a couple clicks forward on the back one, and now you're back to regular safety retract mode once you break the blade off. So you can break it off all the way down the length of the whole blade and keep using it as a safety retract. The blades in these guys are the same laser sharpened, hardened edge, black coated, rust resistant blades that we put in our TriBlades, and we sell replacements in 10 packs on our website. And this knife also has a really comfortable feel in your hand. Rubber casing so it doesn't get slippery if your hand gets sweaty. Nice shape for your hand, and then it's a full metal casing, so it's super durable. Drop this guy off a ladder, no problem, not gonna break at all. And it's got a really nice weight and feel to it, so it cuts really nicely. You're gonna feel like a samurai using this guy. Buy a mag knife today. I promise it's the only utility knife you'll ever buy for the rest of your life. FastCap.com.